Volvo Park Assist Pilot, Parallel Parking. Now we're going to demonstrate the Park Pilot Assist ability to parallel park the car. Swipe the screen over, just hit the park in, and then just pull along the cars that are next to you. The car's now looking for that open spot. It's found a slot. Now we're just going to keep pulling forward until it tells us to stop. Put the car into reverse. And now I'm just going to control the speed of the car while it does all the steering. So I'm just looking all around, making sure that there's no pedestrians and everything is nice and clear while the car backs us into the spot, and just follow the little blue line as it descends there. When it goes all the way down, that means stop. Put the car in the next gear, so we'll go forward now. And now back into reverse. There you have it. Parallel parking with Park Pilot Assist, courtesy of Volvo. Perpendicular parking with Volvo Park Assist Pilot. So now let's demonstrate Park Assist Pilot and how the Volvo can actually parallel park itself, or in this case, perpendicular park itself. So just swipe the screen over to the right and then hit the parking button, and you just keep pulling up until the car tells you it found a slot and says continue forward and follow instructions. So I'm moving forward now slowly. The car wants me to stop, so I put the car in reverse. Again, perpendicular parking is selected, and now the car is steering 100% by itself. And I'm just modulating the brake pedal basically to allow the car to roll back and park. So you don't typically have to hit the gas, and now backing up until it tells me to stop. And it does that by showing you a blue bar that descends, and when the blue bar disappears, and you hear the park sensors also starting to go up in frequency, then you know that it's actually stopped the vehicle. You select drive. The car is going to straighten itself out, so it can back into the spot, and now I'll put it in reverse, and now the car is backing in. So it's reversing slowly. Be prepared to brake, it says. So my foot's on the brake pedal the whole time, and we're finished. Using the park out function. The park out function helps you drive out from a parking space. Please note that it is only available for parallel parking, not for perpendicularly parked cars. Activate the function by pressing the Park Out button in the function view on the center display, or by pressing the button on the camera view. Use the direction indicator to select from which direction the car should exit the space, and then follow the instructions on the display. If the system considers that the driver can leave the park without assistance, the function will be deactivated.